In the vast digital landscape, website testing has become an accessible and enjoyable side hustle that can earn you some decent cash. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or dive into the world of usability testing, this video will guide you through the process, practical tips, and the best platforms to explore. So buckle up and get ready to laugh your way to financial gains as you become a usability testing pro. What exactly is website testing? Website testing, or usability testing, is a simple process where companies pay you to interact with their websites and give feedback on user experience. Imagine walking through a digital museum where you're allowed to touch everything and give your thoughts on the exhibit. But instead of ending up with smudged glass, you get paid to say, the checkout process, total nightmare. The layout, my cat could design better. Your input helps companies improve their sites, making life easier for future users. All you need is an internet connection and maybe a bit of sass. The best part, you don't need a tech degree or coding knowledge to get started. If you can navigate websites and voice your opinion, congratulations, you're already halfway there. In short, you'll be a secret agent for usability, helping companies perfect their websites and apps, all while getting paid for your honest feedback. How does website testing work? Most usability tests are straightforward. You visit a website, follow a set of instructions, like finding a product or filling out a form, and share your thoughts. Some tests may require you to record your screen and voice. Payments typically range from $5 to $30 per test, depending on the platform and the complexity of the tasks. Just think of it like navigating through an obstacle course, but with your laptop, where the hurdles are confusing drop-down menus and slow loading times. What's more, it's one of those rare gigs that lets you work in your pajamas, tipping your coffee while commenting on how a website feels. And the tests, they usually take no more than 20 minutes. After all, you don't want to lose your sanity pointing out why a Contact Us button shouldn't be hidden like a treasure map. Why website testing? Besides the obvious benefit of making money, website testing is a great way to keep your problem-solving skills sharp and your brain active. This is a gig where your attention to detail and critical thinking is rewarded. And let's face it, who doesn't love critiquing things? Ever sat through a movie and thought, I could have done that better? Now imagine that, but for websites, you become the internet's unsung hero by helping brands make better websites and apps. Additionally, it's a flexible job that can fit around your existing schedule. It's the kind of side hustle that doesn't demand too much of your time, but still leaves you with some extra cash to splurge on that item sitting in your Amazon cart for months. Top platforms to get paid for testing websites. Number 1. User testing. One of the most well-known platforms. User testing pays $10 per test, with each test taking about 20 minutes. It's ideal for those who love giving detailed feedback on their user experience with websites or apps. The great thing, you can get paid through PayPal, and the number of tests depends on the needs of the platform. As one of the most user-friendly platforms, user testing offers plenty of tests for both beginners and experienced testers. But remember, the more thoughtful and descriptive you are in your feedback, the more tests you're likely to receive. While $10 per test may not sound like much, stack a few in your downtime, and you could easily pull in an extra $50 a week. Number 2. Tremata, formerly TrimUI. Tremata offers tests that pay anywhere from $5 to $30. You'll either be completing recorded or live user testing gigs. If you love talking through your thought process as you navigate websites, this is the platform for you. Payments are made through PayPal once your results are approved. Fun fact, Tremata gives testers a unique chance to showcase their thinking process. No, seriously, they want you to say every little thing you're thinking as you navigate the site. This platform allows you to test different types of websites, giving you a front row seat to the digital world's evolution. Number 3. Ping pong. No, this isn't a table tennis tournament. Ping pong pays testers $10 to $100 per test, and the process usually involves a virtual one-on-one interview via webcam. It's slightly more demanding, but comes with higher rewards. Plus, it's a great opportunity for those who feel comfortable with live interactions. This is perfect for people who don't mind turning on their webcam and playing the role of Sherlock Holmes, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving UX issues. Number 4. Userfeel. Here's a platform that pays you $10 per test, and each test takes between 10 to 20 minutes. With Usability, you'll have to pass a qualifying test before you start getting jobs. It's known for working with big names like Lowe's and Target, so your feedback could influence the design of sites you use regularly. In addition to testing websites, you may also get to provide feedback on apps, making this an ideal platform for those who enjoy a bit of variety. Number 5. IntelliZoom. For those who prefer flexibility, IntelliZoom offers a variety of tests, from simple surveys to video responses. Payments range from $2 to $10 depending on the complexity of the test, and you get paid within 21 days. However, make sure your recorded feedback is thorough. Clients must approve your submissions for you to get paid. It's perfect for someone who likes a mix of tasks, from answering quick surveys to giving detailed critiques. Number 6. Test.io. Test.io is perfect for gamers and app enthusiasts. You can earn up to $50 for finding bugs in apps and websites. The more bugs you find, the more you earn. Plus, Test.io provides training to help you improve your skills, meaning you can increase your earning potential over time. If you have a knack for catching glitches or enjoy troubleshooting, this is the site for you. What do you need to get started? Not much. A computer or mobile device, a solid internet connection, and a PayPal account, because who doesn't love instant payments? Some platforms may also require a microphone or webcam, especially for live testing sessions, so be prepared for a bit of FaceTime. And no, you don't need to buy a fancy Mac. Your laptop's built-in one should do just fine. Ready to start? Don't worry, your only dress code is your comfiest pajamas. Also, if you're feeling camera shy, there are plenty of platforms that don't require video feedback. You simply navigate the website, follow instructions, and share your thoughts in written form. So whether you're tech-savvy or just love being opinionated, there's a spot for you in the website testing world. How much can you earn? Let's be honest, website testing won't replace your full-time income. However, it's a fantastic way to earn extra money on the side. Depending on how many tests you qualify for and complete, you could earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per month. The best part? There's no pressure. If you want to go on a testing spree, go for it. But if you'd rather relax and complete just a test or two a week, that works too. Just don't expect to retire from website testing anytime soon. What really boosts your earnings is signing up for multiple platforms, which gives you a steady flow of tests from various companies. So while you might only get a few tests from one site, combining your efforts across different platforms means more opportunities and more money. The key to success: apply to multiple platforms. Here's a little secret: most platforms won't offer tests consistently. To maximize your earning potential, sign up for multiple platforms like User Testing, Ping-Pong, Test.io, and others. This way, you'll have a steady stream of tests coming your way, even if one platform dries up. Think of it as casting a wide net in the digital sea. You never know which test might land you a higher-paying gig. By spreading your efforts, you're also broadening your skill set. Some platforms focus on bug hunting, while others prioritize design critiques or surveys. This variety not only keeps things interesting, but also boosts your expertise across different testing formats. Best practices for website testing. To stand out as a top website tester, it's important to be thorough and take your time to provide detailed feedback rather than rushing through tasks. Clear communication is key, especially when you're required to record your thoughts. Make sure you articulate your reasoning, as this helps companies understand your perspective and make the necessary improvements. Lastly, patience is essential. Some platforms take time to review and approve your tests, but with persistence, the payments will come. Just stay consistent, and you'll start to see the rewards of your efforts. And that's a wrap on how you can start earning money through website testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks to boost your income online. Also, drop a comment below if you tried any of these platforms, or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.